The headlights assembly for 2012 to 2015, Honda Civic 4-door sedan, and 2012 to 2013. Honda Civic 2-door coupe is a reliable and efficient replacement option. Designed for both the driver and passenger sides, these headlights offer a precise fit, making them a perfect solution for restoring the vehicle's appearance and functionality. The assembly is compatible with specific Civic models, ensuring tailored performance without any modifications required during installation. One of the standout features of this headlamp assembly is its clear lens and bright illumination, which significantly enhance visibility during night drives or in adverse weather. The lights have a sleek design that blends seamlessly with the car's original aesthetic, giving it a refreshed and polished look. The build quality is solid, with durable materials that can withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring long-term reliability. For anyone looking to replace damaged or outdated headlights on their Honda Civic, this assembly provides excellent value. The installation process is straightforward, saving time and effort, whether handled professionally or as a DIY project. Overall, this product delivers on style, performance, and ease of